Well, this is one way we do it. We have a net that I've hooked up and it's behind the boat. And we're towing. After 10 minutes, we'll concentrate all the water and then we'll see what's in the jar at the end. And then we can look under the microscope, or we can save some of that sample for DNA sequencing back in the lab to identify the species that are in the water.
Yeah, just do it in the center of the boat.
Okay. Here's some of the challenges of doing polar phytoplankton research with the ice everywhere. But we'll see. Alright. I don't think there's very much in here.
Yeah, what? Yeah, it looks a little bit turbid.
Martine and I did a phytoplankton net tow, so we're gonna go to the laboratory. We'll look under the microscope to see what we found. I don't need very much.
What we have here is the cathoceros. So what you can see is the remaining silica skeleton, the frustal, that where the cell used to be, the cells, there were two. And now what the cell is doing is building this spore or cyst that's going to preserve the cell during the winter, during the hard season. So they know the winter is coming and there are not going to be enough resources for them. So they're going into hibernation kind of mode. And so here we can see how these kind of spores look like under the electron microscope. They're so cool. I have more pictures.
What we collected with the phytoplankton net, and this is a 20 micron phytoplankton net, and the result of that I'm pouring into this device which filters just a little bit because it is so thick. So I pump off all the seawater and you can see there's so much phytoplankton in there. And so I'm going to roll this up and stick it into this tube using tweezers, and then that will get preserved and I'll extract the DNA from the sample to see which phytoplankton are there using next generation sequence techniques. So now put the gloves on to avoid human bacteria contamination. I'm going to unscrew the top. This is gonna get goopy. Check this out. That is incredible.
Oh my god, this is so thick.
And you can do a zoom in on this part. Oh, where's the other tweezer from here? So, my tweezers. Oh my god, look how thick that is. This is incredible. I only filtered 400 milliliters of water. So, I'm gonna fold it over. It's gonna spill out. And then fold it over again. It's gonna be a fatty.